Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I have the pleasure of showing you around this rare Toyota Hilux. Now this is a GR Sport, so miles more specification over your standard vehicle, a much more aggressive looking truck. Obviously a lot of people buy a truck, send it out to get pimped up. This one comes pimped up from the factory. Now we're finished in black metallic, which is one of the best colours for these vehicles. We've got sportier front and rear bumpers, we've got carbon effect detailing, we've got nice wide wheel arches. It's a very, very cool looking thing. Now looking around it, we've got LED daytime running lights, we've got front and rear parking sensors. This one's got full 360 cameras giving you a bird's eye view from the top. We've got our sort of carbon effect detailing all throughout, so on the front grille, inside as well, so on the dashboard, on the door cards, nice extended wheel arches. And then we're riding on these special 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. Now very funky looking wheel. A lot of these are obviously just painted, diamond turned and then lacquered. This lacquer has a sort of bronzy look to it, which looks absolutely ace. This one's covered minimal miles as well, so I think it's only covered, let's have a look, 5,911 miles, so it is in fantastic order. So looking down the side of the vehicle, no signs of any dents, no scratches. We've got keyless entry there as well. We've got privacy glass, we've got the bronze top to match the wheels, and then we've even got the top roof bars as well, so if you're carrying stuff on the top there, it's fantastic. This is on gas struts, so lift it up, super duper easy. You can do it with one hand. If you've had older pickup trucks, you would have noticed that it's quite hard to lift up. So that's a sports lid. Then we've got the full Toyota plastic lining in the back, which, as you can see, is in superb order. Other specification on this vehicle then is the tow pack. If you check out the photos, you'll see that we've got the adapter for the tow bar plug as well. Reversing camera there, rear parking sensors, no signs of any bumper corner scuffs. We've got mud flaps all around, protecting your paintwork, keeping mud from going up the sides. GR badging all throughout the vehicle as well. And then poking our heads inside, you get this lovely suede cloth sport seat with leather accents on the bolsters, on the seat base. Contrasting red stitch all the way throughout, contrasting red leather, nice GR badging to the headrests. Now these are electric heated seats, so that's for the driver, front passenger, and even for your rear passengers as well. So we've got central armrest, 3 seat belts, comfortable seating for 3, Isofix in the bottom. Obviously we've got our heated seats in the back there. Looking at the backs of the front seats, get quite a bit of luggage space on these, leg space as well. We've got the carbon effect detailing, GBL sound, surround sound system, so sounds absolutely ace. 4 automatic electric windows, we've got park folding mirrors, leather multifunction steering wheel, so on there is your voice command, your volume and media controls, lane departure warning, front collision alert, cruise control, speed limiter, automatic, lights on this one as well. Down there then we've got our camera buttons, so if I press through to the camera, which is just there, so it gives you bird's eye view, gives me the front camera there. If I flick it into reverse, reversing camera engages with the bird's eye view, and then you've also got your parking cameras as well, so those are just on the sides when you're parking in tight gaps. Clicking back through to home, we've got our satellite navigation, very nice thing to have. Audio, so at the moment we've got Bluetooth audio selected, so full phone connectivity. We've got DAB radio, USB, dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Obviously we've got the 4-wheel drive settings, hill descent, rear diff lock, eco mode, power modes, and you've got the Gazoo racing badges, which obviously GR stands for, Gazoo Racing. Central armrest, we've got a plug in there, 2-pin plug, but a lovely thing. Obviously, having covered that sort of mileage, absolutely no miles whatsoever, you're still under the Toyota manufacturer's warranty, and we're just about to throw this pickup into the showroom. So if it's something that you're interested in coming down and viewing, you can see it in its true light. But thank you for watching the video. Anything further, give us a call, 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.